Hello everyone, welcome back to Flame Fed Homestead. My name is Brandon. Today we're going to make sloppy joes with venison. We may have a little surprise. Let's get started. Alright, let's get these sloppy joes started. We're going to heat up our cast iron pan on the new Rectech Bullseye Black Edition. We'll throw in some beef tallow. We'll let that get warmed up. Now that the beef tallow is ready, 2 pounds of ground venison. And 1 pound of ground beef. Now we're going to add some diced Walla Walla onions from our garden. Some green pepper. And celery. We'll let that come up to temp. Start browning. Let's see how it's going. Long ways to go yet. Okay, meat's all cooked through, nice and brown. Green pepper and celery are starting to soften with the onions. Time to make them sloppy. Fold out, use my handy dandy shelf here. Okay, we're gonna add our other flavors. Starting with some brown sugar. Worcestershire sauce. I always say that wrong. Minced garlic. Chili powder. This is a prepped mixture of yellow mustard and vinegar. And ketchup. Mix that all together. Normally this gets made in a crock pot, so this would be the end of the steps. But if you're going to cook it on the stove or on the smoker like we're doing today, we're going to add some water. Got about 1.5 cups. I don't know if I'm going to add it all, but this is going to help keep it from drying out as those flavors incorporate and it starts to simmer down. It'll still be a nice sloppy consistency. Looks like we added about 3/4 of a cup. We'll let that heat up, get a little smoke flavor, and then we'll be ready to eat. Time to see how those cherry pellets are doing. I think we're ready to go inside. Time for a little taste. Delicious. You can get a hint of the sweetness from the tomatoes and brown sugar. Not overly vinegary with the vinegar and mustard. Just a hint of smoke. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.